Hey guys, it's me. It's Triple T. I'm back again. I'm beyond the fridge and I'm beyond life. And we're gonna have a sushi slut feeding tonight. Back again. Back again. Back again. Yeah. Well, back again. Back again. Back again. I'm Triple T and I'm back again. Cheers and welcome to a sushi slut feeding beyond the fridge. It's me, it's Triple T, and I'm back again. And I thought I would, every time I've eaten my sushi, it's been in the containers and you can't see it. So I'm like, girl, I want y'all to see it. I want y'all to friggin' see it. I'm like, am I gonna be civilized and use chopsticks? Or just eat it with my hands? It's harder to get the wasabi though, but put it on with fingers. Oh my god. Oh. It's a special roll. That's my favorite one, the mango cream cheese and cucumber. Oh. This is the Christmas roll, or they're calling it the Xmas roll. Oh, it's good tonight, guys. Oh, I'm losing it. I'm like, maybe I should use chopsticks. But at this point, I've come this far. Tonight, it's fresh. Wasabi. Oh. Oh, fuck me. Oh. Guys, I was gonna do a fried chicken because I'm like, I've been craving some fried chicken hardcore lately. But then I still ended up ordering sushi. So yeah, here we are with it, but it's fine. I like to order ponzu sauce. It really gives the tuna rolls a nice dip, an alternative to just soy sauce every time. Oh my god, this is so fucking good. I think this was like 6 rolls, which is crazy. Oh, I do love a good sushi bang. Now, have you guys ever lived in a building or an experience people having sex? Now, I don't know why I'm thinking about this, but in my old building, my neighbor, he even told me once, he was like, oh, she's a nymphomaniac, and I'm thinking, yeah, I can tell. So one night. Fuck, that's sensational. Oh. So one night, because I used to work 6 a.m. in the morning, so I had to get up at 5, so I went to bed really early. And they'd be just a fucking sideways. This girl screaming and fucking moaning. Like, they're having sex, but this girl was wild. She was out of fucking control. So I said, at one night I said, you know what, I had enough. I'm trying to fucking sleep. It's 1 in the goddamn morning. My ex was out in the living room, and all of a sudden I turned a porno on, and I cranked it, and then I started moaning myself, and I was loud. I was like, ah, oh my god, ah, but louder. Oh fuck me, ah, oh fuck me. And finally it stopped. But my ex-husband came in and he was like, what are you? You're fucking crazy. What are you doing? And I'm like, I'm trying to sleep. Yes, I'm crazy. Of course, but you can't fix crazy. But shut the fuck up. I'm trying to sleep. Have sex, Christ, moan a little, but Jesus, do you need to scream? Christ almighty. But in the building I'm in now, I barely hear people at all. Super quiet. Oh my god, guys. Fucking sensational. Everything is very fresh, simple, tasty. Oh. God, I love a good sushi bang. A good slut party, you know? Fucking old. Get that tuna fucking stinking up in here, mama. Get up in that gig. That gigorama, you know? You know the rama? The gig? The gigorama? I'm still weirded out by how I have all these views on some videos. And then today, the one I posted of the A&W, well, what a mess that was. I don't know why I ordered that much food. I'm fucking retarded. But anyways, mama. Oh, there's only one left. You can tell my favorite one. There's only one left. So delicious. My video I posted this morning, low views. And then so I'm still convinced that one of my friends or something is like, am I crazy? I just don't see that people are watching this and watching these. I'm not convinced. I will tell you one thing though, I'm full as fuck. Whoa. I feel like that was a pretty savage slut feeding here. The California roll. But this one is so good. Oh, fuck me. Guys, I always order from the same sushi place. I'm crazy. We have 600 different sushi places. But I'm loyal. I'm a loyal bitch. I am a loyal fucking slut. And I'm wearing my lobster shirt for you guys for this special sushi mukbang on top of my fridge, you know? Yes, mama, yes, God. Sushi the house down, mama. This is Cherry Lane. Kind of sounds like a drag name or something. Cheers. Oh, pardon me. Oh, Jesus, I'm such a foul being, huh? Oh, there's nothing more foul than me. Well, a nun's vagina could be foul, because it hasn't seen action ever. So, yeah. Or my friend Sally Susan. As LSD University says. Who is Sally Susan? I think she thought I was a bipolar character. It's just a character, dumbass character I created. Stupid saying, Sally Susan. Who the fuck is Sally Susan? Bipolar Sally Susan. Fuck it duck, right? Fuck 10 ducks. Fuck 10 ducks. And then tell me how was it. Okay guys, I'm full. There's 1, 2, 3, 11 pieces left of this sushi slut feeding. Now normally in a slut feeding, you would want to finish everything and take as much fish and tuna of the sea that you can. But I just couldn't do it for y'all. I'm just bullshitting you, acting a fool. Don't get it twisted, guys. I'm always acting a fool up in here. I'll do anything for views. I'll do anything. I will poop on this table. I will poop on this table. No, I won't, actually. I won't. I won't do it. I promise I won't poop on the table. But I'm willing. I'm not even on a table. I'm on a fridge. You tell me what it's going to take to become a mukbang superstar. Up on top of my fridge, eating sushi, eating the fish, talking about nuns' vaginas, talking about my friend Sally Susan, living the best life, trying to make cringe videos. Because what's cringier than watching a 40-year-old man eating raw sushi on top of this fridge with eye bags for days, wearing a lobster shirt, alcoholic, and slut. Girl, I just read myself to filth. I want you to always remember that if you can't keep a cool tool, then your friggin' meat is gonna loaf.